Respected viewers, this is M. Vijay Srinivas, teacher of English. So, stand before you to express some of my feelings with you all. So, today in this video, I am not teaching any lesson or I am not going to teach anything. So, now I am going to share some of my experiences and feelings with you all, because I consider all my members as my own family members. So today I am going to share my feelings, the purpose and the main aim of starting this Padma Academy English Education channel in YouTube. So Padma Academy of English Education is not a new thing. So actually it was born before me. So nearly in before 77, so the idea of starting an academy for the purpose of students came into the mind of my father, who is none other than Maranganti M.V. Narayanacharya garu. Maranganti Venkata Narayanacharya garu, head of the Department of English in SKR College for Women, Sri Kandukuri Rajyalakshmi College for Women. It was situated in Rajamahendravaram. He worked as an English lecturer and he also worked as the head of the Department of English. So, as a son of that great person, so I wanted to cherish his dreams and fulfill his dreams. So what can I do more than that? As a son, I can't do more than that. So I can show my reverence towards my father by doing something for him. So his dream is to give education, especially English education, right from KG to PG. He dreamt like that, and during his lifetime he maximum fulfilled his dreams. So he never say no to any of his students who came to his doorstep and requested him to say something. So he did his level best, and he even educated and created some wonderful students during his lifetime. So I experienced in my life. So whenever I introduced myself as the son of that great man, so people and his students still show love and affection towards me. And especially as a son, I learned how to lead a simple life, how to put extreme hard work in our lives, and how to live like a good human being, and how to share our feelings with others. So as far as you can, we should share only our happy moments with others. So we should live, we should adjust, and always you try to make others happy with your beautiful words. Never hurt others. So these are some of the techniques I learned from his life. So actually I was too late for him. So I was born somewhat in his later days, and I learned a bit of knowledge from his life. To be some extent, I am very thankful for God Almighty for giving birth in such a great family to such a great parents. So my mother also gave 100% support to her family members. Especially she gave her support to my father in doing all the things. So she took all the care of her household activities and never disturbed my father, who is a great lover of literature. So it may be English literature or Telugu literature, both are literatures. So he did a great work for both these literatures. He loved Telugu, and more than that, he loved his English language. He used to say that English is my mother tongue, as well as Telugu is my mother tongue and English is my livelihood. So I am an English teacher, so that's why I am getting some money and I am getting salary, and people are respecting me because I am an English teacher. So when one language gave me life, other language gave me livelihood. So these two languages are just like two eyes for me. So he did a great service for both these languages. So he wrote some excellent material for MA literature, and he wrote some books for VGS publishers. He wrote special MA book, and he also wrote translated the world famous short story books into Telugu language, and he also wrote a dictionary to Rohini publishers and did a lot of service to English language on one side. And he wrote some excellent books in Telugu also. He wrote Girisam Lectures. It is a satirical book on contemporary issues. And he wrote a philosophical book, Geetamrita Varshini, which is the essence and summary of Chinnajaya Swamiji's pravachanams, speeches in Bhagavad Gita. And he also wrote the dance drama based on the life history of Rajya Lakshmamma in Telugu. So he wrote a dance drama, and till today, so this drama is being played in the college, women's college, on their anniversaries. So recently the college celebrated Golden Jubilee, 50 years. So during that time also, at that time also, they played this drama and appreciated the writer, my father, and some of the lecturers even felt very happy, at the same time felt sorry for missing that great person who did a lot of service for the development of this institution. So some great persons were also his great students. So they worked in the same institution. For example, Saraswati Madam and some other lecturers, they studied in the same institution, and they worked in the same institution along with my father. He used to feel very, very happy. So he even wrote his autobiography, L'Allegro and Il Penseroso. The title of the book itself is L'Allegro and Il Penseroso. So in that book he wrote about his happy days with his students and with his colleagues. His students or his colleagues. That's why he enjoyed his career in a great way. And he always used to say, we should love our profession. So only a person who loves his profession can do justice to it. So that's why we are also trying to follow his footsteps. So in order to fulfill his dreams as a son, and actually Padma Academy of English Education is the institution started by my father with my sister's name. So Padma is my sister's name. So with her name this institution was started. So he wanted to make this institution flourished so that a quality education can be provided for the needy students. So money is not main criteria for my father. He even gave some free education for some students who knocked his doors. He provided education, and he wanted his students to shine in this world. So he did like that. So as far as possible, so my sister and myself, so we are also trying to follow his footsteps. So there is a quotation of H.W. Longfellow. So if you follow the footsteps of some great people in the sand of time, so our lives will also be sublime. So I believe this quotation. So I too follow my father's footsteps, and we are trying to make these videos, and we are trying to do something to this society, to the needy people. So you watch our videos and show your encouragement, and we also try to make as many videos as possible. In future we are planning to bring some more videos at different levels. So my sister's aim and my aim is same. So we want to fulfill our father's desire, that is to provide education right from KG to PG, and I hope and I pray God to bestow us with full energy and strength and also full interest, so that we come forward with more and more videos. I only request my audience, my viewers, to encourage us with your likes and subscriptions. So thanks for listening to me and support. Thank you.